An earthquake with a 7.7 magnitude has rocked Southeast Asia on Friday, according to the United States Geological Survey. United States Geological Survey is reporting the epicenter of the quake was in Mandalay, Myanmar, but reports are emerging of the quake being felt as far south as Bangkok in Thailand. Germany's GFC Center for Geosciences said the midday trembler was a shallow 10 kilometers, with an epicenter in neighboring Myanmar, according to temporary reports. The Greater Bangkok area is home to more than 17 million people, many of whom live in high-rise apartments. Startled residents poured out of high-rise condominiums and hotels in densely populated central Bangkok. They remained in the streets, seeking shade from the midday sun in the minutes after the earthquake. The quake was forceful enough to send water sloshing out of pools, some high up in high-rises, as the tremor shook. Many buildings were evacuated as they swayed in the rare earthquake. The epicenter of the earthquake was in central Myanmar, about 50 kilometers east of the city of Manua. There were no immediate reports of the effect of the earthquake in Myanmar, which is in the middle of a civil war.
ไปค่ะวิ่งเข้าฝุ่นค่ะถล่มในเจหมดเฮ้ยยิงไปเหมือนกันเฮ้ยคนที่อยู่ตรงนั้นมีใครเป็นอะไรหรือเปล่าเฮ้ยมีใครเป็นอะไรบ้างไม่รู้ตึกโดนกันรู้พันหมดเลยไปค่ะฝุ่นค่ะรีบวิ่งค่ะถล่มสานะไปค่ะพี่วิ่งค่ะมันฝุ่นค่ะ
ถ่ายแล้วยังให้ถ่ายอ่ะโอ้โหตอนแรกนั้นเราจะดูยังไงดิสุดท้ายน่ะOh my god! Look at that! Is this still shaking? Oh shit! Go, go, go! ไม่ได้ถลอกมันแค่สั่นน้ำมันไหลลงสตอรี่ก่อนเฮ้ยเฮ้ยโอ้ย